Hello everyone, welcome to Kakao's Hideout. I am Kakao Konani. So this one is for you, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You may be thinking of um, reconsidering another try sa isang bagay na maybe na-fail mo dati, tapos ngayon, or pwedeng wala kang chance before, tas ngayon okay na, tas nag-resurface yung opportunity. So baka this time, probably around July, August, baka ma-pursue mo na siya or baka maka-achieve mo na siya, makumpleto mo na siya. This opportunity may be something connected sa pera, family business, pinamana na property, bahay, gamit na mamahalin. Bottom of the deck, 3 of Cups na parang siguro merong kailangang group na mag-manage nun. Let's say for example, you were aiming na buhayin ng isang family business with 2 of your cousins, or pwedeng bawiin ng isang family business from a group of people kasi mas deserve nyong uh, uh, patakbuhin yon as family members of the original owner, pwedeng ganun. Or it could also be something na gusto mong bilhin para sa family, like a property or bahay, kotse. Parang siguro before you weren't able to do that, tapos ngayon siguro okay na yung savings or lesser na yung priorities and obligations, and you can finally pursue this. So try doing that, pero ang advice is to make sure na this time na-identify mo yung failure before. Bakit hindi mo siya na-pursue dati? Kinulang ka ba sa budget, or meron ka bang hindi alam na kakailanganin pa lang ibigay na requirement, o kakailanganin pa lang tapusin na training or certification, and make sure na everything's good, preparado ka para this time makukuha mo na siya talaga. And if you're going to do that, possible outcome, of course, merong maiinggit, probably an Aries, not necessarily. But this is someone na parang matagal na sa kanya, either yung property, yung business, or pati siya yun din ang goal na bilhin, na kunin, na i-manage. Pero dahil mas parang mas entitled ka sa bagay na yun, parang feel niya na contest yung right niya over that specific goal. Now, try your best not to talk too much regarding what you want to happen. How are you going to go about it? Or kung anong gagawin mo, anong plano mo in the future, para hindi ka niya masabotage. Okay? And if you're going to do that, ayun. So, there will be people na mawawala sa eksena, pero this is something na okay lang kasi reverse naman yung 5 of Pentacles. Pag upright ang 5 of Pentacles, ito yung iniwan ka sa ere, hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo next. In reverse, parang okay lang na iwan nyo ka sa ere, I can manage. In fact, it's better na ako lang mag-isa. Okay, so wag manghinayang sa mawawalang mawawala sa eksena at saka sa mga pinagsamahan kung yung purpose mo is nai-interfere lang nila. Okay? Anyway, that's all I'm seeing here for paid personal readings. Just send me a private message. Bye!